We are here to damage ignorance. Yesterday I told you that I'm going to tell you the difference between the water from an AC and a proper distilled water. Let's look at how an AC produces water. When the refrigerant, that is what you call gas in an AC, gets to the indoor unit, we call it the evaporator. The refrigerant gets to its boiling point, that is the temperature above its freezing point. And when that happens, this refrigerant exchanges its cold temperature with the external warm temperature. Now when this happens, this exchanged cold temperature is being sent to you by the help of a fan or a blower. Simultaneously, the exchange of these temperatures forms what we call condensation. Okay, just like when you are boiling your water in a kettle, you open the cover of that kettle, you find out that water has settled under the kettle cover. That happens due to the difference in temperature between the inside of the kettle and the outside of the kettle. This barrier forms water. Now this is what happens with air conditioner as well. The difference in this temperature forms condensation, which results in formation of water molecules. These water molecules drops down and are being collected by a tray. The tray further moves it down to a water hose that dispenses the water outside. Now here is the thing. Not that the water is not clean or not pure, but the conditions surrounding the formation of this water is the problem that we have here. Okay, this water that is formed having a contact with the copper pipes and the aluminium fins or the copper fins of the evaporator. You call it pure water or distilled water. Now you forget the fact that this water had contact with copper. This water also had contact with iron. And when this water is meeting with all these elements, the water you saw me turn out yesterday has some sediment in them, impurities, metals. So this rust continues over time and the rust particles come down with this water. That you don't see some solid rust particle in the water does not mean there are no trace elements of iron in this water. So that already makes it an impure water. The same thing happens with the copper. The copper will keep reacting with the atmosphere around it and with the water.